welcome back to the vlog. I'm so excited to get some footage today because Pa and I are going to be out here working in the garden. We're fertilizing all the vegetables, and then Granny is picking some turnip greens this morning to cook for lunch today. Ever since I was little, Granny and I have always loved sitting on the front porch and listening to the birds. So yesterday I went and got a bird feeder and some seed, and I'm gonna hang it up here on the front porch because we were watching them the other day and we want them to come closer to us. They're too far away and we can't see them that good, so hopefully we can reel them in with some food.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long on unresolved questions holds you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on.
Today, Sadie wants me to tell her exactly the way I make biscuits. I have to have 2 bowls. I fill up the little bowl, make it like a little hole right here in this one. Get the grease, a little bit of grease in there. Then you've got to get it all mixed up. I have made a lot of biscuits.
And Helen showed you how to make biscuits?
And Helen showed me this way. You have to get it mixed up real good. And the best thing is to use buttermilk. Now if you don't have buttermilk, just use water. But if you have buttermilk,
is that the secret ingredient?
That, to me, that's the secret ingredient, is the buttermilk.
When you were first married?
Yes, when I was first married, I made terrible biscuits. Even the dog didn't want to eat the biscuits. Oh Lord, we have laughed about that a million times. But since then, Lord's eat a lot of biscuits. I pat them down a little bit.
Okay, time to get some broccoli from the garden. I'm telling y'all, garden to table food is the best food you can have. I usually don't eat broccoli unless I have some cheese, but this broccoli is different. It is so good. It's just so nice here. I love it. All the good, peaceful things over here at Granny and Pa's. I'm just so happy to be able to document, and I'm having so much fun making these videos. So I'll see you next time.